Okay guys, this is task 13. At yung area natin, magdodraw tayo ng sidewalk at water. So, obvious naman yung sidewalk ito. Saka bridge, ito, bridge. So, unahin natin yung sidewalk.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no.
Ayan.
Have me by
Saka
your
dito.
side when the sun sets. I hope you still want me, I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity.
Okay.
Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally.
So,
Gotta know your love keeps me high.
magdodraw tayo ng water. Ayan guys. Since na nag-overlap sila, so gawin natin, cut natin to ang sequence ng overlapping. So, click mo, Control V, and water. Then, click, shift, click, and. So, nag-overlap na sila. So, this is the task 13. Pwede mo na ipasa. Yan, this is task 14. So, meron tayong category na mag-tips tayo dito. Draw all features. Okay. So, sa itsura pa lang ng ano, walang label, walang hindi mo alam kung ano yung i-draw mo. So, para malaman nyo, ito yung category. So, meron tayong road overlap, sidewalk, pavement, at grass. So, bago sa atin yung pavement na to, so unahin natin muna is yung road. Yeah. So, ito, road to. Yan, road. Yan. Ito guys, nakikita nyo, tsaka ito. Yan yung tinatawag na road shoulder. So, kasama pa rin siya sa pagli-label ng road. Ayan. Ayan. Load pa rin yan. Ayan. Ito kasi, ano na to eh, pavement. Ito, pavement na to. So, ito, pavement natin to. Ayan. Op. Pag ganyan, over twisting tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ito naman, sidewalk. Ayan. Op, meron tayong, ano, umulit ulit. Ito lang. Ito. Override by existing features. Yan. Ito. Yan, umuulit lang siya, pero lagay nyo lang. Then, dito, cut natin to. And then, kasi nag-overlap sila, sa babaw ng bridge na kasi to eh. Bridge na kasi yan. At sa ilalim niya, merong sidewalk. So, kailangan natin mag-overlap. Ayan. Overlap yan. Sidewalk. Ayan. Eto, unahin muna natin grass to. So, since na overlap sila, ito, sa ilalim niya is pavement. So, kailangan natin mag-overlap ng pavement. Ito, since guys, na parehong category sila, parehong road sila, so, kailangan natin road overlap. Saka ito, pwede natin i-grass. I-grass na to.
Don't say goodbye. Don't make me cry.
Okay guys. This is task 14. Thank you.